Hello everyone, welcome back to the Power BI series. So today we will discuss on the difference between implicit and explicit measures. So if you have watched my previous video, so we have created one measure in the transaction table with the name total sale. So this total sale which we have created by ourselves is the explicit measure. So let me have one table. S- s- Let us drag the customer segment from the customer table. So now if you see, we have three segments: consumer, corporate and home office. So let us drag the explicit measure, which is total sale. So now if you see, the program has extracted and added the value of total sale as well as the total sale as per the segment wise: consumer, corporate and office. So as we have created this measure and we have given the formula of this extract the sum of sales. So that is why it has extracted the sum of sales. So because we have extracted this um, measure and we have created this measure for the aggregated value, that is why it is called explicit measure. So what is implicit? So if you see, the sale value we also have in the transaction table with the name sales, which is the total of sales. So if we drag this sale in our table, so now if you see, both of the measures are giving the same value, but this sale which is giving the total value is the implicit. Why? Because in this case the system has created the aggregated value, and if we drop down we can use the aggregated value for a different options as well, like sum, minimum, maximum, count, then standard deviation, median and so on. So this is the difference between implicit and explicit measure. So in corporate world, it is good to use the explicit measure. Why? Because the implicit measure cannot be reusable in our different visualizations, but this explicit measure can be reusable in any visualization. Also, when you create the visualization in the Power BI desktop and upload it into the Power BI services, and suppose someone wants to extract the data and do some analyzations, so in that case that person would not be able to do the analyzation for the sales, because it is implicit measure, so it cannot be reusable. So it is always better to have the explicit measure. So we will be creating the explicit measures in our coming sessions also, wherever we need the aggregated values. So this is all for today's session. Thank you everyone. Be safe and happy learning.